Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, it's not every day that you're going to get a good recommendation on a toilet, so listen up. This is a smart bidet from VOVO. This toilet comes with all the bells and whistles, so your husband will actually have an excuse for lingering. Now, one of my favorite features is that it has a heated seat. Every single feature is customizable to what you prefer, but this warming seat is amazing, especially in the cooler months. It has all of the automations, so it automatically flushes, which I love. It also, of course, has the bidet functions. So those can be completely adjusted as far as temperature goes, pressure, angle. You can adjust that to your preference. It even has a drying function. My husband is in love with this toilet. He talks about it every time he uses it, and it's honestly the talk of all of our social gatherings. We have a lot of company, and everybody raves about this new toilet. It comes with a remote, so it has all the functions on there. On the side of the toilet, you also can do the basic functions like flushing, and then of course the bidet options and the stop button. They are pre-programmed as far as timing goes, so if you want to end them early, you can, but each cycle takes just a couple of minutes. It comes with everything you need for installation. Of course, you'll want to measure to make sure it fits with your current setup, but it even comes with the wax ring. It comes with all of the hoses, the bolts, everything that you need, and it goes in just a couple of minutes. It's tankless, so it's nice and sleek. It looks really great in the bathroom. It comes with a 4-foot cord, so you do obviously need a power source, so you will need a plug-in that is close by. It also has a deodorizer and it has a night light. Once you get the hang of using all of the features, it'll be a game changer for you too. I'm sure you and every one of your guests will really love this toilet, and that's my point of view.